Look up at the night sky. Find a bright star. Watch it closely. It seems to blink and shimmer, doesn't it? It appears to dance in its place, but what you are seeing is not really happening to the star at all. The star itself is not blinking. It is an illusion. Your eyes are not lying. What you see is happening much closer to home. Stay with me. I will show you the simple, beautiful reason behind this celestial magic, and how we learn to tame it. For all of human history, we have looked up and seen this gentle, flickering light. Poets have written about it. Children have sung about it. We call this phenomenon twinkling. The more scientific term for it is stellar scintillation. Stars are unimaginably far away, massive, burning spheres of gas that shine with a steady light. Yet from Earth's surface, they appear to blink. That simple flicker tells us a story. It is a story about the invisible ocean of air that surrounds our world. It reveals the dynamic, restless nature of our atmosphere in a spectacular way. The air that envelops our planet is not perfectly still or uniform. It is a dynamic, chaotic system. Layers differ in temperature and density. As starlight passes from one layer to another, it gets bent a little. This is refraction, the same effect that makes a straw look bent in water. Each tiny bend is small, but across vast distance, even tiny deviations change where the star appears, moment to moment. Our eyes perceive this rapid, random shifting as shimmer, twinkling. Stars are point sources, so the effect is strong. Planets appear as tiny disks. Their many rays average out, so they twinkle less. Turbulence creates pockets of air that act like countless tiny imperfect lenses. Combined, these random refractions make stars seem to dance in the night sky. You do not need nightfall to see this. On a hot day, air shimmers over asphalt and distant objects wobble, refraction in action. Light bends through pockets of hot and cool air, and your brain reads it as wavering. On cold, clear, calm nights, the atmosphere is stable. Stars twinkle less. Wind and instability make twinkling more pronounced. That is why major observatories sit atop high, dry mountains. Less atmosphere, drier and more laminar air, sharper views of the cosmos. For astronomers, a calm atmosphere is as important as a dark sky. For most of us, twinkling is poetic. For astronomers, it is a problem. Atmospheric turbulence that causes twinkling also blurs telescope images. We call this blurring seeing. No matter how large a telescope is, seeing can limit sharpness. It is like photographing a tiny, distant subject through a rippling pool. The image will blur. For exoplanets, the tiny dip when a world transits can be drowned by atmospheric flicker. In distant galaxies, crucial fine structures can wash out into a simple blob of light. Space telescopes avoid seeing entirely, but launches are costly and complex. Science is a journey of curiosity, asking simple questions and following them to profound answers. If you enjoy big ideas explained clearly, if you find wonder in understanding everything from a twinkling star to our changing planet, join our community, subscribe, like, and comment to help us reach more curious minds and shape future videos with your ideas. Your feedback guides our next explorations. Tell us what sky topic you want next. Now let's learn how astronomers fight the blur and sharpen our view of the universe. Faced with our blurry atmosphere, scientists developed a remarkable solution: adaptive optics. If the atmosphere bends the light, we can bend it back. A wavefront sensor measures distortions hundreds to thousands of times per second. The computer calculates the exact correction. A deformable mirror, moved by tiny actuators, adopts the inverse of the distortion, canceling it. The result is a vastly clearer, more detailed image. Classic adaptive optics needs a bright guide star near the target. Often there isn't one. The fix is science fiction turned real. A laser tuned to excite sodium atoms about 90 kilometers up. The sodium glows, creating an artificial guide star. Measure, compute, correct, now anywhere in the sky. With adaptive optics, large ground telescopes can rival, and in some wavelengths surpass, Hubble. We can image exoplanets, track stars around the Milky Way's black hole, and resolve fine details in young planetary systems. AO is complex, costly, and best for small fields. It cannot fix wavelengths the atmosphere blocks. Space telescopes remain essential. Next-generation giants with built-in AO will collect more light and sharpen views further. From Earth-like atmospheres to first galaxies, we will probe deeper, right here from the ground. Next time you see a twinkling star, remember, the star is steady. Our turbulent atmosphere makes it dance. Tiny random bends in air of different temperatures and densities scramble the message. Adaptive optics measures distortions in real time and bends light back. Now, we can see details once impossible from the ground. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Share this with someone who loves the night sky. And go watch a star twinkle tonight.